Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine, notwithstanding. This is the teacher Jean-Pierre, the one with me in the mathematics. The part of mathematics that we are having a look at is numbers and operations. In numbers and operations, last time I sent you a lesson which was about finding the simple interest, SI. And I hope that you enjoyed the lesson. Today we are going to make a fast revision which will take us to the new lesson. Follow. Now I have a revision question number 1. By the way, remember today we are on 15 February 2021. Okay? Question number 1. Can you read? Yes. Calculate the simple interest on 8,000 francs for 2 years at 10% per year. Normally, the interest is calculated after 1 year, after every 1 year. That's why you can find that the rate of interest is per year. Per year. That's per annum. You know French. Annum is the année. You know, this is per year. What is it per annum? Here you can see that even here it is per year. To mean that the interest is calculated after every 1 year. Let us have what is given here. What we have in the word problem is we have the principle. Because I say calculate the SI. We don't have the SI we want to calculate. So we have the principle. It is equal to 8,000 francs. This is the principle. What else do we have in our problem? We have 2 years till the time. Time is 2 years. We have the rate of interest. Remember that the rate of interest is the percentage by which the interest is calculated. To have, here we have the rate. It is symbolized by letter R. It is 10%. The question is, find the simple interest. My dear friends, in the formula, we know that the interest depends on the principal, rate, time, but the rate is a percentage. That's why we divide by 100 to have. The interest depends on the principal, it depends again on the time, it depends again on the rate, but this rate is a percentage. So you know it is a number over 100. That's why we divide by 100. When the time is in years, you remember the formula. When the time is in years, the formula is this one. This is the general formula to calculate the simple interest when the time is in years, because the rate is per year. We use this formula since the time is in years. To have principal 8,000 francs. Remember to put the unit. We have 2 years. We have the rate over 100. We can simplify. 0, 0, and chop. I chop this 0 and chop this one. What is left there? What is left? You can see that it is 1,600 francs. Therefore, the interest is 1,600 francs. You people check below. We have 1 0, another 0 here, we have 2 zeros. Yes, times 16. We are right. Let's go for number 2. I told you that it is a revision. Number 2. What is the simple interest on 200,000 francs after
You can start with the T or again with the R. No change. Over 100. This is the general formula. It is based on the principle, rate, time, and the rate is a percentage. But since the time is in months, we make a proportion and we divide by 12 here. When the time is in the months, you multiply by 12 here down. To have the principle is 200,000 francs, like this. Okay, times rate is 6 times the time is 26 over 100 times 12. Let us simplify. The two zeros, we chop them. We chop 2 up and 2 down. Here we can simplify. It is 1. Simplify. It is 3. What will be the answer? The answer is 2 times 6, 12 times 3, 36. And how many zeros do we have? We have 1, 2, 3. I think we are right. Good. Rwandan francs. 1 to 3 zeros by the day. Therefore, the simple interest equals 36,000 Rwandan francs. Thank you. Let's go for the last. Faster. Find the simple interest on 24,000 francs for 240 days. Look, the time is in days. Be careful. At a rate of 15% per annum means per year. We have the principal 24,000 Rwandan francs. We have the time 240 days. And what else do we have? We have the rate of interest, which is equal to 15%. The question is, find the simple interest. SI, by definition, depends on principal, rate, time, but the rate is a percentage. That's why we divide by 100. But remember, when the time is in days, here down we multiply by 360. Good. To have the principal is equal to 24,000 francs times the rate. Remind me, the rate is good, 15%. 15 times the time is 240 over 100 times 360. Let us simplify. If we can simplify, the zeros we chop them. Chop, the two zeros are gone. And here, can we simplify? Yes. We can simplify the 0. Okay? Can we simplify here? We simplify by 6. By 6, I have 4. By 6, I remain with the 6. This is 6. Let's chop it. We chop it together with this one, we remain with 14. Is it clear? Yes. What else you can multiply all these numbers? You divide by the product here down, which is a long way. But in P6, I think we know how to simplify. Therefore, the simple interest here will be 40 times this one. It is 600 times 4. It is 2,400 francs. Thank you very much. I think this is clear. You will practice more in the school here. Thank you. Come for this new lesson. It is called new, but in reality it is not new, because there is a principle which was being used here. Here we are going to see how to find the principle. If you have been working in the percentage by which the interest is calculated. 4%. And again, we have the time. 3 years. Thank you. They are saying, find the principal. Question mark. My dear friends, if you have memorized, retained, saved in your minds the formula to find simple interest, it is what you are going to be using. Simple interest in years, simple interest in months, simple interest in days. It is what we are going to use here. Remind yourself what is the formula of simple interest when the time is in years. You do as follows. We have principal times rate times time over 100. This is the formula to find the simple interest. Look, in algebra, when solving simple equations, I taught you how to solve equations which involve cross multiplication. And we have seen that it is in this format. Here I can put 1. By the way, the rules of writing a fraction, this fraction bar should be in between. Yes, please. We can put 1. Then look, can I cross and multiply? Yes. Like the way you can see. 1 times this one, we shall have P times R times T, which is equal. I cross here also. It is interest times 100. Then what is the formula to find the principal? It is this one. Now, principal, we pick it and write. Principal itself equals this product divided by what is remaining here. It is interest times 100 over rate times time. Then you enjoy life. Doing substitution, we shall have 3,100 francs, by the way, times 100 over rate is 4, time is 3. I simplify. Look, I can simplify by 3, 1. By 3, here remains 1,000. By 4, 1. By 4, 25. Yes, please. When we multiply, we shall have, therefore, the principal equals 25,200 francs. Number 2. What is sum of money will yield, will earn, will give an interest of 6,100 francs at 5% for the 6 months? What do we have, by the way? You can see that we have an interest of, let me write, an interest of, you can write interest or SI. The same, okay? And then here we have 60,100 francs. And we have the rate of interest which is equal to 5%. And then we shall have the time. The time is equal to 36 months. Very good. And they are saying, what sum? What principle? The principle, a question mark. My dear friends, I told you that all the formulas come from the formula of how to find simple interest. Therefore, we remind ourselves, how do we find the simple interest when the time is in months? When the time is in months, we take principal times rate times time, but the rate is a percentage. And we multiply by 12 when the time is in months. Let me put a 1 here. 1. I cross, then I multiply. 1 times what is here? here doesn't change, you know. Principal times rate times time equals, I cross the border here, then I multiply to have interest times 100 times 12. We pick this one again. Principal equals what we have here. It is this one, I think we all can see, over what is here. Rate times the what? The time. Which will give us 60,100 francs. Remember to put the unit. You fail to put the unit, I put it for you, but not for free. You pay 100 times 12 over, how many by the way? Over the rate of 5. Over what again? 36. No. Yes, it is true. Over 36. Good. Thank you. This is, we simplify. We get 3. This is 1. We simplify 1. We simplify, we get 20. We chop this 3. We chop it together with this one to remain with 2,000. Therefore, the principal here equals 2 times 2, 4. It is very easy. Even if you can do this one. You have 40,100 francs. Thank you. The last. Then we enjoy life. Who is a borrowed? The money borrowed is the principal, but we don't have it. Let us see. Money at a rate of 5% per annum. At the end of 90 days, she paid an interest of 12,100 francs. How much did she borrow? Don't think it is how much money. No, how much money did she borrow? What do we have here? How much did she borrow? Means what is the principle? Remember, the principle is the money banked, the money borrowed, the money invested, etc. So we don't have the principle here. It is what they are asking us. Okay, number 1 we have the rate, 5%. After this one, at the end of 90 days, time 90 days. And an interest of, I think you cannot fail to sort out what they have given you. Good. An interest of 12,100 francs. And the question is, how much did she borrow? The principal, a very big question mark. We shall have, look, we remind ourselves how to find the simple interest when the time is in the days. We know that this simple interest depends on principal, rate, time, over 100. But when it is in the days, we multiply by 360 here down. Then as we make the cross multiplication over 1, I cross, then I multiply. 1 times what is here on the top doesn't change. To have principal times rate times time, I cross the border here, equals interest times 100 times 360. We pick this one again. Principal itself will be equal to the interest times 100 times 360 over rate times what? Time. By substitution, we shall have interest 12,200 francs times 100 times 360 over rate is 5 time 90. Okay. We shall have. Remember, I'm not mixing the units. I want to find francs. Therefore, this is the only unit that I'm having with me. Good. We shall have simplify 1, then here are 4, because it is very easy. Simplify 20. You can see that if we quickly jump 4 times this, it is 96. 96. How many O's? We have 1 O, 2 O's, 3 O's, 4 O's. It is 960 but 1,000. Rather than France, the unit is here. You people, I think you have enjoyed the lesson of how to find the principal given interest, rate, and time. And the formula is not from heaven. The formula we have been creating, or been creating them from the formulas of simple interest. Thank you very much. We'll have more practice in the school here. Keep enjoying, keep safe. I love you all. God bless you.